Then abangani bami basho kimi ukuthi do you remember amantombazana so esike sawangcwaba bekwama girlfriend alomuntu. So it means ukuthi nabo uye wabafakela. So the only thing ibenzakala ku guy bekangabonakali ukuthi angithi noqaleni besithi umuntu bamncane ngomzimba ini. The only thing yena ebekanayo bekuthi makeqeda ugeze ecobisa iVaseline. iVaseline beyivenisha same time.
Oh.
Lapho it showed ukuthi manje he was fully blown.
Okay.
The moment nje aqeda ucobisa so he's dry like nobody's business. So the guy mama mabuye ngimtshela umama ngithi ayi bangitshela ukuthi athi mama let me tell you something mntanami. Can you make clinic your friend? Whatever question or whatever ongayi understand ezophuma cela wenza clinic umngani wakho. Ngathi kumama nami nginesicelo ngicela uthathe this information lento ngicede ukutshela yona intshela umamkhulu. Sengiyasaba phela ukutshela umamkhulu. Angithi remember ngithe kuye angisiyi the B word